Okay, I'm going to tie in a front hackle here now, and want to show you what you need to do here. So this is a good way to tie it in so it's secure. So I'm going to pull back. I want to pull back this to expose the area I want to tie in. So right there. So instead of just tying that whole thing in and clipping it off, it's always better to clip it up front and leave a little tag. So I'm going to clip it right there. And see how I left that little tag right there? A little guy that's going to help secure this. So what I'll do is just make one wrap over the top there, and then I can pull it to get it in the position 2, 3, 4, and it's good. Really, after 3, you're good to go. And so once you got that in, it's totally secure. That's not going anywhere, and it minimizes the thread wrap. So then you can wrap your material, wrap your hackle as you go, and we'll move on the next step when we hit that.